In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell digital products on TikTok Shop. If you create templates, presets, ebooks, printable planners, or any other files customers can download, TikTok Shop can put them in front of a huge audience. The key is to set up your product page clearly so buyers understand they're getting a digital item and not something shipped to their door. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account and signing into the seller dashboard. From the homepage, look for the product section. This is where you manage everything you sell. Click Product, then choose Add Products to start a new listing. You'll be prompted to upload an image first. Use a clean, eye-catching cover that represents the digital file, like a mock-up of your ebook cover or a screenshot of your template. Keep text minimal and make sure the image is crisp and well lit. Next, enter your product name. Keep it descriptive and include a clear cue that it's a digital item, for example adding digital download, preset pack, digital, or printable PDF. Clear naming reduces confusion and refunds. Choose the most accurate category so your listing appears in the right searches and recommendations. Then craft your description. Explain exactly what the buyer receives, how they'll access it after purchase, and any requirements such as software versions or file types. Most importantly, state plainly that this is a digital product and no physical item will be shipped. Repeating that once near the top and again near the bottom helps set expectations. You can also note usage rights, number of files, and any limitations on redistribution. Add a short video if you have one. A 15 to 30-second demo showing the file in use can dramatically boost conversions. Use captions to highlight key benefits and show the before and after if it's a preset or template. Fill in any other necessary details for your product, such as variations for different file formats, and double-check pricing, stock status, and any fields TikTok requires. Review everything for typos and make sure the imagery and wording match the digital nature of the product. When everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok will check that your listing follows their guidelines. If you get feedback, adjust the title or description so the digital aspect is crystal clear, then resubmit. Once approved, your product goes live and you're ready to make sales right on TikTok Shop.